Hello affiliate marketers, my name is Leon from How to Webmaster, and today I'm going to show you guys how much I make from doing affiliate product reviews for JVZOO products. And for those that don't know, JVZOO is a marketplace for internet marketing products where you can promote and get instant commissions for your promotions. So today's example, I have here a JVZOO product called News Builder, and this video has about 1,648 views. It is ranked on the first page for News Builder right here, and here's my video. And let's check out the earnings. $160 for making this video. After making this particular review of this product, I received some comments from the author of Newsmatic, and it turns out that News Builder copied this plugin Newsmatic, and they illegally took the codes from the original author, and so I had to end the promotion of News Builder. So anyways, $160. It could have been more if I didn't switch out the affiliate link. And so let's look at another example. This is another plugin called Conversio Bot. It is a chatbot maker, and it is being sold at JVZOO. And let's see, we have 935 views, and it is also on the first page of Google. And with this one, I made $340 for making this video. So not bad for a couple hours of work of making the video, editing and publishing it. So you don't need a whole lot of views to make a whole lot of money. I mean, $340 is not a whole lot of money to some, but it is also a lot to some others. And it took 2 hours to make this video, and the ranking is, like I said in my other videos, I usually get first page top rankings for all my videos. As long as you make decent review videos of actually using the product and people find it helpful, then you will make the commissions. If you make a bad quality review video and you don't use it yourself in the video, then you're not gonna make a whole lot of commissions, if any at all. So I hope this video helps give you some ideas about the potential money-making opportunities of doing affiliate marketing, doing affiliate review videos for JVZOO products or other products. Let me know if you have any questions. Please give me a thumbs up, a like, and please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. And until next time, happy marketing.